Hey guys, jumping straight in, I'm first going to take some tape and apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. Now that the tape is on, I'm going to take the Merle Norman Automatic Shadow Base and use that as my eye primer. Everything will be linked down below. Now take a white eyeshadow and set the eye primer. Now I'm taking the light lilac-y purple and running that through my crease. Taking this true purple shade, I'm going to apply that to the outer and inner corner. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. Now re-intensifying the purple shade. Now taking the darkest purple in the palette, I will apply that on the outer and inner corner to darken it up just a little bit. Using the same blending brush, I will blend out the edges once again. Now taking the light pink shade out of the Pastel Dreams palette, I will pack that on in the center. Now taking the matte light pink shade out of the BH palette, I will pack that right on top. And of course, blend out the edges. Now taking a glitter glue, I will pack that on in the center and then put pink and white glitter on top. Taking the Maybelline gel eyeliner, I will create a very small, thin wing just to make my lashes appear thicker. Remove the tape and use makeup remover to wipe away any fallout. Skipping primer, I'm going to moisturize my skin prior to foundation. Taking the L'Oreal True Match, I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm not a huge fan of this foundation, but it's not terrible, it's just not my favorite. Now taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I will apply that underneath my eyes and across the bridge of my nose. Now taking the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, I'm going to use this to set underneath my eyes and my forehead. Now filling in my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Natural Lift Brow Pencil. Now taking that white shade, I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. Now taking the dark purple shade, I'm going to put this on the outer and inner corner of my lower lash line. Now using the light purple shade we used in the beginning, I will blend out that color. Now I will put a white eyeliner in my waterline. Now using the Clinique Big Impact Mascara on my top and lower lashes. Now contouring my cheeks, forehead, and jaw using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. Bronzer today, I'm going to use Snow Bunny by Too Faced and apply that to my forehead, nose, neck, and cheeks. Now applying a nude colored blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now taking the Milani highlighter, I will highlight the tops of my cheeks and down my nose. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video.